Have you ever wondered why your car battery seems to die prematurely, even after meticulous charging and maintenance? The answer often lies not within the battery itself, but in an overlooked yet critical component, the vehicle's grounding system. A compromised chassis ground can silently sabotage your battery's health, leading to diminished performance and a shortened lifespan. In any electrical circuit, a complete path is essential for current flow. The positive terminal of a battery supplies power, but the circuit requires a return path to the negative terminal. In automotive applications, this return path is predominantly provided by the vehicle's metallic chassis, serving as the ground. This chassis ground effectively acts as a large common conductor, connecting various electrical components, sensors, and the battery's negative terminal. Critical ground points include the battery to chassis, engine block to chassis, and specific component grounds, all designed to ensure a low-resistance return path for current. Ideally, the chassis provides an unhindered, zero-resistance return. However, in real-world scenarios, factors such as corrosion, loose connections, or inadequate gauge wiring introduce resistance into this crucial path. This deviation from ideal conductivity has profound implications for the entire electrical system. When resistance increases in the ground path, Ohm's law dictates a voltage drop across that resistance. For example, a component requiring 12 volts might only see 11.5 volts at its input due to a voltage drop on its ground side. This creates a functional deficit for the component. The vehicle's charging system, primarily the alternator, is designed to maintain a stable system voltage, typically around 13.8 to 14.7 volts, to power accessories and recharge the battery. When it detects a voltage drop across the system due to poor grounds, the alternator attempts to compensate by increasing its output. This increased output translates to higher current generation. Generating more current requires the alternator to work harder, consuming more engine power and generating additional heat. This increased electrical load is not efficiently transferred, but rather lost as heat, primarily at the points of high resistance within the ground path. Crucially, this condition directly impacts battery charging. If the ground path from the battery to the chassis, or from the alternator to the chassis, has elevated resistance, the battery will not receive its full charging voltage and current. The potential difference required for efficient charge transfer is reduced. A consistently undercharged battery is highly susceptible to sulfation. Lead sulfate crystals, which normally convert back to active material during charging, harden and build up on the battery plates when charging is insufficient. This reduces the battery's capacity to store and deliver energy, accelerating its degradation. Furthermore, poor grounds can sometimes mimic or exacerbate parasitic draws. While not a direct parasitic draw, the inefficiency introduced by high resistance forces the system to pull more current for the same operational output, leading to faster discharge of the battery even when the vehicle is ostensibly off or running. Beyond battery health, compromised grounds can lead to erratic behavior in sensitive electronic components and sensors. Incorrect voltage references cause sensors to provide erroneous readings, affecting engine management, transmission shifts, and numerous other critical systems, potentially triggering diagnostic trouble codes. Diagnosing a poor ground involves methodical testing. Technicians use a multimeter to measure voltage drop across specific ground connections while the circuit is active. A voltage drop exceeding 0.1 to 0.2 volts often indicates excessive resistance. Resistance checks with an ohm meter, while useful, are less definitive than voltage drop tests under load. Rectifying poor grounds typically involves cleaning corroded terminals and contact points, tightening loose connections, or replacing degraded wiring. Installing additional dedicated ground straps can also enhance conductivity and reduce overall system resistance, providing redundant paths for current flow. Ensuring the integrity of your vehicle's grounding system is a simple yet profoundly effective measure to prolong battery life, improve electrical system stability, and prevent a cascade of electronic malfunctions. Regularly inspect and maintain these critical connections,